Good morning, Mr. Smith. My name's Kim. I'm your nurse today. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
We're going to get you up in your wheelchair today, and we're going to use the ceiling track lift. So I'm going to use the universal sling. That's what your care plan says, so I'm just going to help you get into that now. I'm going to lift your bed up first. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm just going to take your covers down. And I'm going to get you to bend this knee, and you can turn your head, and I'll get you to reach and turn over for me. I'm just going to put this sling underneath you. Okay, I'll get you to roll back towards me, and just towards me a little bit. Okay, you can go flat. That looks good. This is just going to go underneath your legs. Across these, you can relax. Put your shoes on.